Not only does this chocolate truffle recipe need 2 ingredients to make, it's super tasty as well. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Aarav.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins, the channel that gives you some of the best tutorials for your most favorite desserts, drinks, snacks, and more. Plus, we occasionally do some awesome baking challenges, so if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button. So as we said before, this recipe is super duper easy. It only requires a few ingredients, and to get started, we're going to get a saucepan and add in 5 ounces of condensed milk. Okay, now we're going to put this on medium heat, and we're going to cook it until the sides begin to simmer. Alright, that should be good. The sides are simmering, so now I'm going to remove it from heat, and then we're going to sift in a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Alright, let's add this in. Alright, now I'm going to put this in the fridge for an hour. Anytime if your mixture becomes a little less stiff, you can go ahead and pop it back in the freezer for a few minutes and it'll harden up. Alright, now we're going to take about a spoonful of this chocolate mixture and we're just going to put it in our hands and roll it around until it becomes into a circular shape. So we have some cocoa powder here and we're going to make sure the whole truffle is covered with cocoa powder. Today we are going to be showing you how to make homemade mint chocolate chip ice cream. Let's get started. This happens to be a no churn ice cream recipe. It's very easy to make. All you need is a hand mixer or stand mixer, and it only requires a few ingredients. So to start off, we have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're just going to whisk this until everything is nice and stiff and there are tough peaks. Okay, let's add 5 ounces of condensed milk. Alright, let's whisk this until everything is nice and combined. Alright, we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of this peppermint extract. We'll leave the link down below if you want to go ahead and buy it. And now we're going to add a few drops of this green food coloring. And let's mix that up. And now for the last ingredient, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. And let's give that a mix. And we're going to transfer our mixture into a container. And we're going to cover this and put it in the freezer for 6 hours or overnight. Alright, we're here the next day and let's scoop our ice cream into a bowl. Alright, to start off, let's get a saucepan. And we're going to add 5 ounces of condensed milk. And 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let's put it at medium heat. And we're going to get a spatula and mix this until it's fully combined. So after about 2 minutes, our batter is pretty thick, as thick as we want it to be, and we're going to put it into our container. Okay, so we have our fudge out of the freezer. It's been an hour, and let's just take this off. Alright, let's cut our fudge. Alright, let's cut it into cubes now. Before we get into the next step, we were wondering if you could like this video. We've put a lot of effort into making these videos, and doing that will help these videos spread to more people. So thanks. Okay, so we have some powdered sugar here that we colored green, and we're just going to use this to make the grass for the Minecraft block.